Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one. Right up over those by those logs. Oh yeah, he's good. He's a fighter. Oh yeah. See if any of them are chasing it. Any other big ones chasing it. Usually there is. That's a great pattern on this too. Great pattern on this one.
You got a double.
You got, did you really? Look at that. Oh, dropped him. Come back here, bud. I wasn't paying attention. Dang it. Come on, buddy. Try this again. It's like I've never done this before. Hey, you gonna bite my finger, bub? That is a good fish. Look at that one. That one's pretty good. It's about that size one you got? Good.
Yeah, nice one, man.
Good color on that one too. Good pattern. Yeah, see, this hole's good, isn't it? That's a good one. GoPro, stop recording.